Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help fix Xeno Roblox. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and fast, as a poor connection can cause many problems. Next, confirm that your Roblox client is fully updated to its most recent version. Outdated clients often lead to compatibility issues. Finally, try temporarily disabling your antivirus program, as it might be incorrectly blocking Xeno's operation. These initial checks are crucial for a smooth experience. Moving on, software conflicts are a common culprit. You should add Xeno to your antivirus program's exclusion list to prevent it from being flagged incorrectly. Also, ensure your operating system is updated to its latest build, as older versions can cause instability. Furthermore, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming resources or interfering with Xeno. Taking these steps can significantly reduce crashes and improve performance. Now it's time to create an appealing listing. Select popular online marketplaces or local selling applications to reach potential buyers. Write a comprehensive description detailing your Realme phone's specifications and condition accurately. Always include several high-quality, well-lit photos from various angles. Highlighting any unique features or extra accessories, like a protective case, can make your listing stand out. For more persistent issues, let's explore advanced troubleshooting. Check Xeno's official community forums. Often, other users have encountered and solved similar problems. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are completely up to date, as outdated drivers can cause unexpected crashes. Finally, if one injection method isn't working, consider trying an alternative method or a different version of Xeno. These steps can help you find a solution when standard fixes don't work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.